पयलेच खेपे गोंय भेटेर आयिल्लो वेक्टरन एम्बेसिडर लिओपोल्दो गेरेली आनी गोंयचो आर्च बिशप फिलीप नेरी फेरांव हाणें राजभवनाचेर वचून राज्यपाल पी.एस. श्रीधरन पिल्लयची भेट घेतली. राज्यपालान ताका येवकार दिलो. ताच्या सांगातान राज्यभवनांत वर्ल्ड डिसेबिलिटी डे मनयलो.
Ambassador of Vatican to India, and of course Cardinal visited Rajbhavan. We interacted and talked with respect to many common things, and that's good relation, and they're always cooperating with me. For the administration of Goa, I'm always thinking that all religions are important, giving maximum importance to all of them, and my approach is give, not to keep away from religion. Religion represents dharma, and dharma should prevail over the other things, and in that way better you promote the dharmic organizations like all religions equally. That is my view.